main reasons were to eliminate a repetitive process that was very labour inefficient. So it was brought in to complete two processes, which was to cut tabs off the part and to glue the part. So expecting job losses from automation, but since they've seen the capabilities, it's made their life easier. They've really come on board. We've actually taken on a few more staff because we've improved efficiency. We've been able to take on more work within the same amount of time, and actually took a couple of staff on. Productivity has definitely increased, whereas before it was inefficient in that cycle times, which is the way we're measured, varied. It's now a lot more consistent. We've got a second cell under construction at the moment, with a view possibly within the next 6 to 12 months to install a third one.